Hello my dear students, today I am announcing test series timetable for CA Final, CA Intermediate and CA Foundation students. So for CA Final and CA Intermediate, total 3 tests are there. First test will be on 50% syllabus and second and third test will be of full syllabus. So first test series is starting from 2nd of September and second test for CA final starting from 27 September and third test from 14th of October. And for CA intermediate, second test on full syllabus will start from 28 September and third test on full syllabus will start from 15th of October. So you can write this test series at Prestige Point Pune in classroom, or you can write this test series from home also. So if you are writing test from classroom, you will get exam environment and you will get all check papers with suggested answers on single day. That day will be announced during the test series. Along with checked papers, we will do counseling also, and on check papers, detailed comments will be written. And for online students also, you will get question paper on your email ID on test date at 12:30 p.m. Then you will write the paper and send us the scanned copy of your answer sheet in PDF format on same email ID on same day, and then you will get check paper and suggested answers within 8 to 10 days on your email ID. And if you have any queries, if you want counseling, then you will provided with checkers number, so your counseling will be done on phone. So both the options are available for test series, and we have branch also at Aurangabad. So if you are from Aurangabad, you can give test series at our Aurangabad branch. And for CA foundation students also, we have total 4 tests. First test on 50% syllabus, second test on next 50% syllabus, and third and fourth test will be of full syllabus. So first test is starting from 28 of September. 28 सितंबर से start हो रही है test series. Second test on 50% syllabus will be from 1st November, and test 3 and 4 dates will be announced once your main exam timetable is announced. So this test series is also available in classroom as well as on online mode. So if you want detailed timetable of this test series and syllabus of the test, just fill up the enquiry form given in description and share this video with all your friends who are going to appear for November 22 exams, because test series is going to help them a lot for doing the SWOT analysis. And you know already the results of Success Mantra test series, so it will be helpful to your friends. So share this video with all your friends. Thank you.